Hi Amy, this is Jeff from the club in Manitowoc. Today we'll be making our gourmet grilled cheese sandwich. We're going to start with 2 pieces of tomato basil bread that we get at Natural Ovens Bakery here in Manitowoc. And put a little butter on it, throw it on the grill. The next step is we add 3 pieces of cheese. I'm going to add a piece of pepper jack, a piece of Swiss, and a piece of cheddar. We're going to let that start melting. I'm going to throw some bacon on the grill to warm up, and then I'm going to add 2 slices of tomato on top of the cheese. Once the bacon heats up, we'll add that and put it together. Now that our bacon is warm, we're going to add that right on top of our tomatoes here. And we're going to take our slice over, heat it up. I'm going to let the cheese melt. Once the cheese is melted, we take it, we cut it in half. This again is served with a side of French fries here at the club. We plate it, and this is what you'd have for the gourmet grilled cheese at the club here in Manitowoc, Wisconsin.